For part B of this problem, we're being asked to find the exact value of the area of the isosceles triangle. So that would be the orange area in here. So to come up with the area, we can just come up with the lengths here and figure that out. But we're going to take the main area, or 36, so the area is going to be equal to 36, and I'm going to take away the small square. So it's a small triangle, isosceles triangle, so it's going to be x squared over 2, and then I'm going to take away these right angle triangles here, which are going to have a length of 6, a width of 6 minus x. Okay, we're going to divide that by 2. Now we have 2 of those triangles, so I'm going to multiply that by 2. So the area expression looks like this. And I can plug in the value of x into this expression and work this out. However, it's likely easier to work this out if we just simplify this expression first and then substitute in the x. Since we want exact values, we're going to have to substitute in this binomial square root form. So I'm just going to work this out first. So I'm going to end up with 36 minus x squared over 2. And then that's taking away the top right hand triangle, and then the 2 other triangles, the times 2 and divide 2 are going to cancel out, so I'm going to end up with 36 minus 6x. Okay, and I can simplify this expression then. So this becomes, the area is going to be the 36 minus 36 is going to cancel out. We have negative minus a minus 6, so 6x, so we're going to end up with a positive 6x. I'm going to cancel out the 36's, so these are going to cancel out, and then I'm going to subtract minus x squared over 2. Okay, so that's a simplified expression, and I'm going to substitute in the value of x I solved for in part A. So in part A, we're going to end up with 6 times x, which is negative 3 plus 3 root 5 minus negative 3 plus 3 square root 5, all squared, all over 2. So once we do the calculations here, we're going to end up negative 18 plus 18 root 5, and expanding these brackets, we're going to end up with positive 9, and we're going to end with negative 3 times root 3, so negative 3 times 3 root 5, that's going to give us negative 9. We're going to have negative 9 twice, so we're going to get negative negative 18 root 5 plus, we're going to square that last term, we're going to end up with 9, and root 5 times root 5 gives us 5. And then we have to just make sure we don't forget that divide by 2. Okay, so we're going to simplify that fraction out. So negative 18 plus 18 root 5 minus, so this ends up being 9 plus 45, which is 54. 54 divided by 2 gives us the 27. And 18 divided by 2 gives us 9 square root 5. Okay, so then we can just combine our like terms. So we end up with negative 18 minus 27. That works out to be negative 45. 18 minus negative root 5. 18 root 5 minus negative root 5, that's going to be plus. So we end up with 18 plus 9, which is 27 square root 5. And that is the exact value of our area, and it's in meters squared.